Hello, friends. This is part 2 of the 2004 Kia Sedona. Today, I am going to battle these massive floor mats. I'm going to prep them at home, and then because I have a car wash across the street and I know a pressure washer is going to do better on these, I'm going to take them across the street and pressure wash them. So, this will be my first time doing that. Hopefully, I get a good result from it.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. All of the times I've been there, times I came through. I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Picket fence in the valley, a hope that's losing its hold. You know them other girls don't love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. You got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall.
And the Kia is done. This is a car lot vehicle, so obviously the detail process is a little different, and this vehicle is shot. There is no way to make a really big difference. It is just dirty, and I think it was used as a work vehicle, so I'm not sure if that's why there is so much of a mess. The back seat is completely ruined. I couldn't get anything to come off of it. And then there was battery acid on the carpet and it was only coming up and it was a mess. But anyway, I did the best I could with what I had. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you for hanging out on my channel for a minute. and we'll see you tomorrow.